So here's how you can blur photos and videos in Capcut. So you want to open Capcut and then find the photo and video that you want to blur. So I'm going to be blurring this photo right over here. We can get rid of that. So essentially all you have to do is at the bottom, you want to scroll until you find what says effects. You want to click on that. And then now you want to click on video effects on the left hand side. Once you're in video effects, you wait for all to load, and from here you want to at the top scroll until you find what says lens. Lens is going to be right over here. And then now at the bottom you basically just want to look. As you can see, there is a lot of different options for lens. You can basically play around with these and see which one you like the best, but essentially blur is right over here. Click on that, and that you could basically adjust the length of the blur, as well as if you click on adjust at the bottom left hand side, you can also adjust the intensity of the blur. So if you put it down to here, it could be like really unblurry, and then 0, of course, is no blur. If you go all the way to here, this is the max blur, so you can play around with that and pick the intensity that you like the best. And then essentially, if you don't like this, you simply click on replace effect and then change the blur to something else.